you very short video on how to find the best-selling products on Amazon. If you do this way, you will be successful. Very simple, very easy, very short tip for you guys. Go on Amazon and here on this left corner you should see something like all. Click on all, and this is just the way how you find it, okay? Then next is under trending, click movers and shakers, and just you will come to this place. You will find a lot of good products here as well, but what I want to show you is on the top here or somewhere, maybe if you're from different country, you are going to find a different repositioning of this most wished for. Click on most wished for, and that's the gem. This is the gems for the eBay. So if you don't like clothes, I wouldn't recommend actually clothes. But on this side, you can see you can find all sorts of different categories. Home and kitchen. Click on home and kitchen, and Amazon's most wished for home and kitchen. And here you go. You just find your best product. Listen me carefully. Now, this is very important. This is crucial. Do not list the products even if this is the good one or this is the good one. This is excellent. You see, it's a crazy good one. But do not list this product if this is not for your level. For your level, okay? So if you don't know what I mean by your level, because there are different levels of sellers. Somebody is beginner, somebody is established beginner, somebody is kind of like in a medium, somebody is almost professional, somebody is almost experienced, somebody is experienced, and this is not by my power to determine who you are unless I'm saying your account, but this is how eBay sees you. If you, being a newbie, put this product on your account, you are gonna be in a lot of troubles. So don't do this, okay? So here is plenty of products for your, like this one, the price range is good, the feedbacks are good, perfecto, okay? Something like this. Be smart. If you are in my training, you know what I mean. If you are not, just choose proper products. Go to the Amazon's most wished for, and Amazon will show you what products in the market on the current time, current day are most wished for, because this is what people are buying on a regular, consistent basis. Okay, if you do this and list them properly, make proper keywords, proper titles, proper pictures, you are gonna get some money out of it. Take care, guys. See you tomorrow again in a video shorts. Bye bye.